Live and direct at Money's Car Stereo. Like I told y'all in the other video, they be calling me. And what you come down here to do today, man?
Man, I come to get the 2.1, man. Max this thing out.
Okay, so you heard what he said. So we it's early. But I did tell him to call me when he woke up, which was, what time did you call me this morning?
It's about 5 o'clock.
Damn, about 5. And I said, yeah, let me be prepared. I'll be up when you get here. I was still in the bed when he got here. I ain't gonna lie. But I don't know how many of y'all remember these. Some of y'all might not have been out the porch yet. Remember them? This is actually a good radio. You got options. You got your USB inside of here, or your iPod if you still run those. You got your USB outside. You buy one up here, and then you got your Bluetooth. So the Sony was ahead of their time, but sometimes they overdo things at times. But my man got a complete Hertz hookup here. He got the Hertz, what they call these, the Milli Pro? I don't know what they call these. I never was into the Hertz stuff as much like that, but it's cute. You know, it does pretty good. I got the key to this?
Yeah.
Okay. And he got Hertz over here. Any y'all Hertz out up here? Well, I'm going to tell y'all, his Hertz is hurting right now. They ain't quite doing what they supposed to do. And he got a JL up in here. JL's a good amplifier, but right now, how's it sounding?
Trash.
Yeah.
Understatement.
Okay. Hey, I didn't put words in his mouth. There's no script here. It just is what it is. So he came down to see me and said, Rob, woke me up all up early, but I told him to call me. But anyway, we assessed the situation and we came up with a list of things to do. So we gonna do it. Stay tuned. I'm gonna let you see what I see. We ain't saying the Hertz is gonna stay, but we're gonna see what we can work with. I can tell y'all right now, the front half is gonna go away, and we're gonna make it my way. The back is pretty much gonna stay. Well, actually, no, rewind. We just found out as we were playing it, the Hertz is hurt. For real. See that, y'all? That's a spider separating from the frame. How many times has it happened to you?
Twice. The second set.
Second set. And how much a set? You don't mind me asking?
The set was about 6. I think I paid 5 to 6 a pop.
For each set?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to repeat that again.
Let me try this again. I think I paid 5 to 6 a set.
A set. 5 to 6 a set. Do y'all hear that?
Like 2,400 speakers on.
Yeah, see? And he said it played good for a while. Then things went bad. And so my thing over here at Money's Car Stereo, we're going to do the best bang for the buck. And, we ain't got to go to the top to get you to the top. I can put you right there in the game. I got a few scenarios, few recipes, how to get you there. So we're going to, I've been given full access to do what I want to do. So, you know how I do it, But if you don't, stay tuned. I'm going to let you see what I see. We got to go. Finish the other bag tomorrow. Then we're really going to test and tune. 2.0 coming out the door real soon. Yeah. That part right there. Down for the night. Yeah, as we turned on half of it, we had to get the hurt stuff out of there. And I was just playing with one bag. So tomorrow, we're going to finish up the other bag and put it together, assemble it. Oh, yeah. And that's that. Then we're on to the next one. Money's Car Stereo. let you see what I see. It's been a long day. Gotta go.
I've been searching for you like a search engine. It really don't make no sense how bad you are.
Another one.
When God created you, he made a star. Let's put it together like the weather, make it last forever. But I only got $1 for a cigarette. Look here, I got $19 for a left game. But I only got $1 for a cigarette. Get it in there. Get it in there.
Oh, I see you avoid the wood on purpose. Because I wasn't supposed to be there.
I gotta get that motherfucker dead.
Yeah. Good question. Did it slide forward or slide back or something? What's the
I
deal?
think it's just this old, man. It looked like it just got short on me.
So did you try to tap it forward with a hammer yet?
I ain't did shit yet. It just got a screw here.
Oh,
I was just gonna take that motherfucker out.
And drop another one in, yeah.
Get a whole another one.
Okay, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
That's a Home Depot trip,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's all that is.
Because I was staring at it, I was like, wait a second. It jumped back.
Right.
And so if we...
Or
Yeah.
I'm just gonna just get it easy.
Take him out and take...
Take that screw out, take the motherfucker out. Boom, boom.
Or you take the screws out and knock it forward.
That's true. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
See what happens. Then see if it's... No, wait. Knock it forward and slide it back. It needs to get underneath this lip.
The one that one comes up.
Uh-huh.
That little lip up there. This
Yeah.
one don't. But yeah, you're right. Take that lip up, hit it forward, hit it back, you go right back up in there.
It should go right back in there, yeah.
I ain't never really tripped on it.
Yep, I was just...
How your day going? Everything good?
Man, I'm staying busy, man. We keeping
You're
going.
always busy.
Yeah, so you know, I got one there, I got one dropped off,
Right.
and he come asking me about putting new gauges. It was an accident, so he come bring a bill I really don't want, but if it's slow enough, I'll go ahead and reassemble the whole front of the bike. I need to take a quick picture, so actually I already know it. It goes fuel, air, volts, oil. Okay, that's all I need to know.
Oh, there's some different tweets.